Okay, so in this video, I am going to guide you as to how to edit your property details. Okay, so once you have logged in, simply go to manage your property tab. Then again, go to the property you want to edit and then click on action and click on edit. Once you are here, go to step 1. Let's say you want to edit your property facilities, or you want to make changes in cancellation policies, or you want to make changes in about us. Then again go to property details and click on edit button. So we are back to our property detail page. You can make changes in the details you want. Let's say if you want to make changes over here, then you make changes and then you click on continue. Let's say you don't want to make any changes in the star, then click on continue. Let's say I want to make changes over here. I do not want this and I want something else. So you just click delete it or add whatever you want to do and then click on continue. Then again, if let's say you want to make changes or in photos, you want to add more photos or you want to delete photos, you can do it from here and do whatever you want to do over here and then make the changes and then click on continue. So basically, if you enter into property details, then we will take you to all these steps. Okay, let's say I want to add let's say family room into this, then click on continue. You want to make changes over here, click on continue. You don't want to make any changes, then simply just click on continue and just make the changes wherever you want. Let's say I wanted to remove this cancellation policy, so I just click on remove and then continue. And I don't want to make any other changes, then simply click on continue and don't make any changes, and that's it. Your property details have been updated. Okay,